Imagine a world where you never have to worry about your drinks getting warm. A world where your snacks stay fresh no matter where you go. That's the promise of Pocket Fridge, a compact, portable mini-fridge that claims to bring the power of refrigeration right into your bag. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But here's the question. Is Pocket Fridge really a game-changing innovation? Or is it just another marketing gimmick? To answer that, we need to take a deep dive into what this little device actually offers. Pocket Fridge is designed for maximum convenience. It's small, lightweight, and USB-powered, meaning you can plug it into a power bank, a laptop, or even your car's charging port. No more relying on heavy coolers or messy ice packs. Just plug it in and enjoy instant cooling. This technology isn't just for road trips and office workers. Students, travelers, athletes, parents, and even outdoor enthusiasts are all potential beneficiaries of this revolutionary product. After all, who wouldn't want a personal fridge on demand? One of the biggest advantages of Pocket Fridge is its versatility. It's not just for drinks. You can use it for snacks, skincare products, baby formula, and even temperature-sensitive medications. For people who need constant access to fresh food or chilled cosmetics, this mini fridge might be a lifesaver. Another key selling point is its energy efficiency. Compared to traditional refrigerators, Pocket Fridge consumes far less power, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. If you're tired of running to the kitchen for a cold drink during work or study sessions, this could be your perfect solution. It also eliminates one of the biggest annoyances of traditional coolers, the melting ice problem. No more soggy sandwiches, no more leaking coolers. With Pocket Fridge, your items stay dry and fresh, without the hassle of dealing with waterlogged food. For frequent travelers, this device is a dream come true. Instead of relying on hotel mini-fridges or gas station stops, you can carry your personal cooling unit wherever you go. Imagine having a fresh, cold drink ready for you the moment you step off a long flight or finish a tiring road trip. Parents with babies will also appreciate the convenience. Keeping baby formula at the perfect temperature while traveling can be a challenge, but Pocket Fridge makes it effortless. It ensures that your child's food is always safe and fresh, whether you're in a car, on a plane, or at a picnic. Athletes and gym goers can also take advantage of this innovation. Instead of settling for lukewarm protein shakes or energy drinks, they can enjoy a perfectly chilled beverage after an intense workout. For those working in offices or remote locations, Pocket Fridge offers an extra layer of convenience. No more waiting in line at the office kitchen. No more settling for room temperature coffee or soda. With Pocket Fridge on your desk, a refreshing drink is always within reach. If you're someone who enjoys cosmetics and skincare, this mini fridge might be your new best friend. Cooling face masks, serums, and creams not only enhance their effectiveness, but also give you a refreshing sensation every time you use them. For those who rely on temperature-sensitive medications, Pocket Fridge provides a portable cooling solution. Whether it's insulin, eye drops, or allergy medicine, having a personal mini fridge can be a life-changing advantage. The design of Pocket Fridge also makes it appealing to tech enthusiasts. With its sleek and modern aesthetic, it blends seamlessly into any environment, whether it's a home office, dorm room, or car interior. Pocket Fridge's portability is a major win for campers and outdoor adventurers. While it may not replace a heavy-duty cooler for large gatherings, it works perfectly for solo trips or light travelers who just need a reliable way to keep things cold. Another factor that makes Pocket Fridge unique is how it provides on-the-go cooling without needing a kitchen or large power source. For minimalists and digital nomads, this is an exciting innovation that fits their lifestyle perfectly. Imagine sitting in traffic on a hot summer day, feeling parched. Instead of waiting to reach the nearest convenience store, you just reach into your bag and pull out an ice-cold drink. That's the level of convenience Pocket Fridge promises. Whether you're working, traveling, exercising, or just wanting an extra level of comfort, Pocket Fridge makes cold drinks and fresh snacks instantly accessible. It's small, it's powerful, and it's designed to make your life easier wherever you go. But the real question remains: is Pocket Fridge truly a breakthrough, or is there more to the story? Let's find out in part 2. Pocket Fridge. A dream of convenience or a costly nightmare? HyperLoop 2.0 sounds like the future of transportation. Fast, efficient, and revolutionary. But every great innovation comes with major challenges and risks. Can it really live up to the hype? Or is it destined to become another overpromised dream? One of the biggest concerns is safety. Traveling at near supersonic speeds in a sealed vacuum tube leaves zero margin for error. Unlike airplanes, where pilots have some control in emergencies, a malfunction in a Hyperloop system could be catastrophic. Imagine a sudden power failure or a breach in the vacuum tube. At 1,000 km or more, even a small structural flaw could lead to massive destruction. What kind of emergency protocols could actually save passengers in such an event? Then there's the question of passenger experience. While supporters claim the ride would be smooth, critics worry about motion sickness, G-force effects, and sudden deceleration. Can an ultra-high-speed system really guarantee comfort for all passengers? Security risks are another major issue. Because Hyperloop operates in an enclosed vacuum tube, any sabotage, cyber attack, or infrastructure failure could disrupt entire networks. How can governments and corporations prevent these threats before the system even launches? Then there's the cost. Building a global Hyperloop network won't be cheap. The original estimates for earlier versions were tens of billions of dollars, but Hyperloop 2.0 could cost hundreds of billions, or even trillions. Who's going to pay for it? If ticket prices are too high, will Hyperloop even be accessible to the public? What if it ends up being a luxury service only for the wealthy, rather than a solution for everyday commuters? Building the required infrastructure is another huge challenge. Hyperloop 2.0 would need thousands of kilometers of vacuum-sealed tubes, specialized tracks, and AI-controlled switching stations. That means massive land acquisition, environmental impact studies, and decades of construction work. Speaking of the environment, Hyperloop is marketed as an eco-friendly solution, but is it really as green as people claim? The energy required to maintain vacuum tubes and run high-speed maglev systems is enormous. Can renewable energy sources really keep up with the power demands? Critics argue that investing in high-speed rail or next-generation electric aircraft may be a more practical, scalable solution. Would it be smarter to improve existing technologies rather than risk everything on an unproven concept? Another key issue is political and regulatory approval. Each Hyperloop network would need to cross multiple countries and jurisdictions. Negotiating land rights, safety regulations, and government funding could delay construction for decades. And let's not forget maintenance. Unlike railroads or highways, Hyperloop 2.0 requires near-perfect conditions to function properly. Any air leak, temperature fluctuation, or infrastructure damage could bring the entire system to a halt. Another massive hurdle: testing and public trust. No transportation system has ever operated at these unprecedented speeds in a vacuum. Would people really feel comfortable stepping into a Hyperloop pod knowing how risky it sounds? There's also the long-term economic impact to consider. If Hyperloop 2.0 becomes a dominant transport system, what happens to airlines, highways, and traditional rail industries? Would millions of jobs be lost, or would new industries emerge to support it? Critics also warn about over-reliance on automation. Hyperloop is expected to be fully AI-controlled, But what if the AI fails? Would there be human operators ready to take over, or would a failure lead to unstoppable disasters? Another key concern is urban development. While Hyperloop promises to connect distant cities in minutes, it doesn't solve local transit issues. People still need reliable metro systems, buses, and short-distance solutions to make Hyperloop viable for daily commuting. What if Hyperloop ends up being another futuristic concept that never gets fully realized? We've seen ambitious transportation ideas fail before, like supersonic commercial flights and flying cars. Could Hyperloop 2.0 be the next big disappointment? As exciting as it sounds, Hyperloop 2.0 isn't guaranteed to succeed. The combination of high costs, regulatory hurdles, safety risks, and technical challenges makes it a high-risk, high-reward project. But one thing is certain: if Hyperloop 2.0 works, it could change the world forever. If it fails, it could be one of the most expensive mistakes in transportation history. So the real question is, are we ready to embrace the future, or are we chasing an impossible dream? Only time will tell if Hyperloop 2.0 becomes a revolutionary success or a costly nightmare. While Hyperloop 2.0 promises an unprecedented leap in transportation, the challenges are as big as the vision itself. Some believe it's the inevitable future of travel. Others think it's a science fiction fantasy that may never work in reality. What do you think? Is Hyperloop 2.0 worth the risks, or should we invest in more practical solutions? The race toward the future of ultra-fast travel has begun. But where will it end? Your support means the world. Click subscribe and grow with us, and leave your comments so we can grow together.